Be mindful of what you believe is you. Nobody's perfect, but we're perfect, that's the issue. All your hurts behind the curtains, that's a big truth. Things ain't what they seem. Be mindful.
Hi guys, welcome to Paris, France. I came here this morning around 11 a.m. I just woke up from a quick power nap. It is a very gloomy day in the city of love. Guys, I am going out to meet one of my good friend David that I haven't seen in over 5 years, and we're gonna go to a coffee shop, just hang out for a little bit. Later on I might meet up for with some crew member and have supper because I did not bring any food with me. The flight Montreal to Paris was a good flight, but it was very busy. I definitely work for my money on this flight, but as I said with this job, sometimes days are super tough, but it's the people that you work with that makes the time that you spend on the job enjoyable. I had a good crew. We're laughing all the time, make the time goes super fast. Depending how much energy I have, I wanted to go see the Eiffel Tower. I've never seen the Eiffel Tower actually at night. So if I have the energy, I'll try to go out and see it.
Cause I don't want nobody else. I'm not afraid to be alone, new beginnings. I'm not afraid to overcome every feeling that I have. So take me in your arms. Yeah.
Salut David.
Oh, Caleb, ça me fait tellement plaisir de te voir.
Yes. You got me a gift.
Yes,
this
Caleb.
guy is amazing. Oh my
This
gosh,
is
thank
for
you
you.
very much. I am like a little kid. I don't know what this gift is about, so we're gonna check it out, okay? Wow! Oh my gosh, thank you. C'est called bande dessinée.
Voilà.
Wow.
Elle est en français, hein. Tu parles français, elle est en
Merci,
français.
merci. Oh wow. Merci, c'est très gentil.
Santa Frances.
Wow.
Alors tu sauras que c'est moi l'éditeur.
Wow, je me sens tellement... Merci
Donc c'est un
beaucoup.
livre que
Merci,
j'ai
merci.
édité avec l'artiste Jean-Frédéric Connet. Voilà.
C'est une belle princesse.
Voilà.
Merci à toi, c'est très gentil.
C'est le bienvenu.
Alright. Merci. Here to Fort Lauderdale. Guess who's here? Mimi. We go way back, so I'm so happy we got a chance to fly today. So we are waiting for the groomings to get off on board, and then we are heading back to Montreal.
It's better when it's me and you, no matter what I do. Baby, we can make it last. It's better when it's me and you, no matter what I do. Baby, we can make it last. It's better when it's me and you know it's true. Baby, we can make it last. It's better when it's me and you, no matter what.
Good morning, guys. It is the next day, Monday, January the 8th, 2024. I am all dressed, getting ready to go to Trudeau. I just came back from my trip yesterday. I did Montreal to Fort Lauderdale, and then it was just a turn. It wasn't a layover. I had so much fun with my colleague Mimi yesterday. We did training together 5 years ago, and then we went to mainline at the same time, and we worked in the galley. We had so much fun. So today I am starting a 3-day trip. First day I do Montreal to Toronto, very easy, an hour flight, and then I have a 14 hours layover in Toronto, and then tomorrow morning I do Toronto to Vancouver, where I have a 20 hours layover in Vancouver, and last day I do Vancouver to Montreal, and I'm pretty much done. I decided to take like a break this month on the overseas because my body is having such a hard time adjusting to the jet lag. I love Paris. I was in Paris last week. All I did was spend time with my friend David, as you saw in the previous clip. I didn't have energy to do anything because when you are there for 24 hours, your body's just so tired, you just want to sleep, and many times I don't have energy to vlog. So all this week I am doing all domestic trip. I have layover in Vancouver, and then later on this week I have a short layover in Halifax. So I'm very happy. I'm staying within Canada and I shouldn't have problem adjusting to my sleep.
else's race. Come on.
Alright guys, this is it. Quick 40-minute workout. I am so proud of myself. Actually came to the gym. One of my biggest struggle is with this job is to exercise on my layover. So my goal for 2024 is to try to exercise as much as possible. Good morning guys, it is the next day here in Toronto, Ontario. It is currently 6:35 local time. I have a pickup at 6:55. I do Toronto to Vancouver. The flight is 5 hours gate to gate. We are flying on a Boeing 787, not a full flight. Morning flight are usually super easy because people sleep, but it should be a very good day. That's it for now. Wanted to come say a quick hi. I will catch up with you when I land safely in Vancouver.
Ryan Little.
Hi guys, it's over 1 hour later. I just took a quick shower just to freshen up a little bit. I don't have anything planned for this layover. I'm just gonna go out and just walk, and if I see something interesting, I'll definitely share it with you. Made a little friend. Hey buddy. Come. Yes.
The next day.
Good morning guys, it is the next day here in beautiful British Columbia. It is currently 6:32 local time. I have a pickup at 7 a.m. So this morning I do Vancouver to Montreal. The flight is just about, I believe, 4 hours, 45 minutes, almost 5 hours gate to gate. We are flying on a Boeing 777, completely full flight. So I expect service to be super busy, but the good thing, if service is busy, it means the time will fly really fast. Hi guys, that's it for now. As you may have noticed, this vlog is a little bit different. I wanted to show you what a week of flying look like in my life. You know, I started my trip in Paris, came back, went to Fort Lauderdale, and then went to Toronto, Ontario, Vancouver, and tomorrow I'm actually going to Halifax, Nova Scotia. As a flight attendant, you fly from East Coast to West Coast, to Europe to Asia. You are all over the place, so it's so important to kind of listen to your body to see which destination works for you, which doesn't work as much. I love Paris, as I said, but I don't feel jet lag in Vancouver. But when I go to Paris, when I have to wake up super early in the morning, I don't sleep as much. But Vancouver, the West Coast, it's like perfect. Hopefully I'll try to do more trip in the near future. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching this vlog. If you make it until the end, I hope you are having a good start to the new year 2024. I wish you nothing but the best. Until now, bye for now. I will catch up with you on the next vlog. Bye for now. Peace.